Hello everybody, my name is Toby from Grade 2 Eagle, and I'll show you how to make pancakes. So our ingredients are an egg, sugar, salt, baking powder, oil, milk, flour, chocolate powder, and some chocolate cream. I will do the pancakes now. Okay, now let's start with me. First, crack an egg. Second, add flour. Then we mix it. And pour some milk. Some sugar. And salt. And some baking powder. And chocolate powder. Now we're going to add some oil. Now we mix.
Stop.
Now I already have mixed it. Now it's time to cook.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Now I already have cooked the pancake. I'll add any topping I want. So for me, I will use some chocolate cream. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Stop.